Hi friends, welcome to this pre-market analysis of Nifty, where on a chart we try to make informed guesses of where buyers and sellers are. This is Nifty on a daily time frame, and these are the fair value gaps lines that we had drawn yesterday, supports and resistances and fair value gaps. So basically the analysis was that on the way up, Nifty created a huge pool of buy-side liquidity right here and one right here. So that was the analysis, and whenever Nifty falls back into one of these liquidity pools, there's high chances it will get bought back. There will be spikes towards the upside. That was the analysis, and almost holding true. Let's get rid of all the previous day's analysis and start afresh with the monthly time frame. On a monthly time frame, the bias, so this column says the time frames and this column is the bias. So on a monthly time frame, the bias is not sure. Why is it not sure? You can see this is a swing high and a lower swing high. This is typically a bearish bias. This is a swing low. This is a higher swing low, and that is a bullish bias. So there's nothing of that sort right here. There is a higher low being formed here, but that's not fully formed until the end of the month. So that's that. There are two important levels to look for. One is where the sellers are and the buyers are, and one is where the sellers are. So these are two levels to look out for: 24,450, 24,430, and 22,182. So that is those are the levels where buyers and sellers are from, at least what's obvious from this chart. So this basically this swing low and this swing low. That's that. Going over to the weekly time frame. On a weekly time frame, Nifty is bullish. You can see there's a swing low here, and this is a higher swing low that's formed. So Nifty is bullish, and there is an important fair value gap that was formed right around the 23,750 range. So whatever comes here is most likely getting bought back. Going over to the daily time frame. On a daily time frame, the bias is bullish. You can see here this is a swing low and this is a higher swing low. There are a couple of fair value gaps that we need to be aware of. The one is the one down here and this big range, but the important one right now, the more relevant one right now, is right up here. That's this fair value gap. That's really close to the monthly level of sellers. So something interesting, if we just go to the monthly level, you can see in the sellers in this area had been so persistent in 1, 2, and 3 months. This is a fourth month we are trying to move directly into this area. So we need to know where the monthly close is. That's like another um, 3 weeks down the lane, but that would be very important to watch out for. Now we were on the daily time frame. On a daily time frame, Nifty is bullish. And what's the target for Nifty? This is a support for Nifty, by the way. If Nifty decides to come all the way down, this is nice support. This is a swing high within a fair value gap. And what's the target for Nifty? That is, the first target is 24,482. That's almost 24,500. And the next target is 24,600. So 24,500, 24,600 are the next targets for Nifty on a daily time frame. Now going over to the 4-hour time frame. On a 4-hour time frame, Nifty has turned bullish. As you can see here is a swing low and a higher swing low. And an hourly time frame. Hourly time frame too, Nifty has turned bullish. This is a swing low and this is a higher low. So everything looks north for Nifty right now. Let's see where it goes. I'm not a certified analyst. I do it only for education purpose. Thank you.